usually switch. Easy spin around there. Because I'm right here, otherwise I'm way on the other side.
Here we go. We're going to launch my rocket.
Just a minute though.
Trying to get this rocket all the way over there. Do you think we can do it? I think we can do it. Here we go, the moment you all been waiting for. Here's my rocket.
We gotta make sure it's ready to go. Okay, white light. No
Ready?
check. No check.
No check. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Here we go. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here we go.
Okay.
Ready?
Push the button.
Watch this. There it is. Here it is, stuck in the ground. Bullseye.
That was a big launch off. What happened?
Here it is, stuck in the ground.
Sweet.
It's stuck to the ground. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. There it is, stuck to the ground.
And it moved. Don't touch it. Look at this. It's burned.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
It's burned.
Whoa!
It's fell apart entirely.
Let's see what happens inside.
It's
Okay.
in 4 pieces.
Whoa! It's
Look at it. My rocket certainly didn't work. My rocket blew up in the air.
Nathan, you're my pieces.
Something went wrong with the engine and
And there's my pieces for my wings.
I think something went wrong with the engine and it blew up.
These are my pieces for my wings. And these.
Yowzers.
Okay. Thanks.
Souvenirs.
I'm going to keep this
Loud.
That's
Let
worse
me
than
have one first.
mine.
I'll have one.
Another part.
I'll take the other one.
Oh,